dreaded countdown continues, 8 days until tax time.
You had to say it, didn't you? You had to say it. All right. Now, with more folks than ever e-filing and a bunch of new tax laws, crunch time could also mean mistake time if you don't watch out. So our consumer lawyer, Eric Seidel, who helps everybody with everything, is here tonight. This is important advice you've got here tonight, Eric.
It really is, John, because, you know, it's a taxing time in more ways than one for a lot of folks. This year, we're all looking to save a buck, and that's why the IRS says self-filings have increased 20%. But in trying to cut back, I don't want you to make a mistake and end up paying more than you have to in penalties.
This year, instead of waiting on lines like these, more of us than ever will be going online. It's often free, fast, and easy, but the last-minute tax crunch can lead to mistakes.
They're entering these things themselves online.
That's why the IRS is releasing its list of the top 9 mistakes we make on our tax returns. Topping the list, the recovery rebate credit for those who didn't get a stimulus check last year. Many don't know what or how much they got. Next, numerical mistakes.
Putting a wrong number in for their property taxes or interest or various things.
Followed by computation and identity errors.
Just carelessness, entering a wrong social security number, not entering a child's name exactly as it appears on their birth certificate.
Bay Area tax attorney Michael Thornton says he's also seeing taxpayers taking the wrong deductions.
On the electronic tax programs, there are questions that you ask and you answer, but they don't necessarily go into what the law behind it is. So you need to be careful that you understand whether or not you can take those deductions.
Also in the top 9?
Believe it or not, some people forget to sign the return. If it's not signed, it's not valid, and they're going to send it back to you.
That's the same as not filing in the first place. The good news, you can avoid most of these common mistakes by double-checking your work before you click send.
And the IRS tells me if you do make a mistake with your name or social security number, well, then the return won't get filed. That means you could get hit with failure to file penalties. If it's a less critical error, well, then your refund will just be delayed until you can correct it. But either way, best to avoid mistakes. Kelly and John?
Yeah, we don't need new penalties here. Thank you very much.